B and C don't have it. So A is the correct option. Forget everything else in the problem now. Your option is okay, A, move ahead. Leave the problem. In exams, saving of time is important. Now don't go on solving all this fifth, first, third. They'll definitely be correct. Once you get the correct option, second, remaining things all would be correct. So don't waste your time. Okay? Now if you want to check, you can definitely check. I have seen this and all these steps come out to be correct. Okay? Main point in these types of problems is elimination. You have to go on eliminating so that you arrive at a single answer. Next, given below are the steps of construction of two tangents to a circle without using center of the circle of the radius 4 from the point P. Which of the following steps are incorrect? Here, important point to note is this protractor, this is called as protractor. This is not allowed, and this compass, that is allowed always. So let's start. Draw a circle of radius 4 and take a point P outside the circle and draw a secant PAB intersecting the circle at A and B. Now, what is a secant? Secant is of a curve is a line that intersects the curve at minimum two distinct points. Right? See here, this is a smaller circle we have drawn. Then from point P we have drawn a secant AB. Secant is actually a Latin word. Secant means to cut in Latin. Okay, so it cuts the circle in 2 points A and B. Okay, so step number 1 is done. Produce AP to C such that AP equals to CP. Draw a semicircle with CB as a diameter. See this PAB will produce it on the other side such that PC equals to PA. This length is equal. Okay. Now after this, what we'll do is we have to draw a semicircle with this C and B as the ends. So how to draw it? See here, you can't use anything else, only your compass. So put the compass one point on this side and draw an arc. Then other point of this side, draw an arc and this point similarly on the other side and draw this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.